Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 536 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited about this product right here that I'm about to try out. This is from the brand Emani Cosmetics and they just sent this to me along with some other really exciting products, and I actually did a little unbagging on my Instagram stories. And so if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is at the Life of Christina. I have that in my description box down below. But so they sent me this Miracle 7-in-1 Primer Serum, and this sounds amazing. To start out, it's 100% vegan, and that's something I really like about the Emani Cosmetics brand. Okay, so what are the 7-in-1 things? Well, one, it's a makeup primer, so it's supposed to give skin a smooth finish so makeup glides on seamlessly. It's a face moisturizer because it's infused with hyaluronic acid. I love products that have that ingredient. It's skin balancing serum, so it has a plant-derived compound with anti-wrinkle and anti-aging effects. Love that. It has microvascularization, which is to help build tiny blood vessels to help your skin appear its best. It's a pore refiner to help reduce the look of large pores, and I definitely need that. Large pores is one of my major skin concerns, especially along my cheeks and my nose, so I'm really excited to see if this actually helps minimize them. And this also is an antioxidant, and it has peptides for healthier, younger looking skin. So I just love when my makeup products not only perform well as makeup products, but also have all those amazing skin benefits. So why not just get, basically like this said, 7-in-1. You get to save money, you get to save time when your products have all of those benefits built into them. Because let me just read a little bit more about this. It says, infused with a powerful ancient ginseng proprietary complex enriched with firming peptides that is your skin's superfood. Miracle 7-in-1 functions as a super anti-aging serum and makeup primer in one. Miracle 7-in-1 helps to visibly minimize fine lines, pores, and reduce the appearance of discoloration. I could really use that on my redness. While it helps to improve circulation, tone, and texture of your skin. So this, even just as a serum or just like a skincare product, would be amazing, but the fact that I'm also able to use it as a primer, I'm so excited about. So this retails for $38 on the Emani Cosmetics website, but they gave me a discount code for you, which is 20% off your entire purchase, which I feel like is so generous and such a nice discount. So that would make this only $30.40 with the 20% off. So let's check this out. I think that this bottle was designed from my dreams. Like, this is the prettiest bottle I've ever seen. It's so me. It's got pink and it's ombre and it's beautiful. I can't wait to have this on my dresser just displayed because of how pretty it is. Okay, and it's big too. And it has a pump. I'm seriously so impressed by this. This is one of the prettiest products I've ever seen. Okay, that alone just has me so excited. But now let's see how this product actually performs. So I'm just gonna pump out a little bit. So I heard that a little bit goes a long way, so I'm gonna just do one little pump here. And it has a clear gel texture. So I'm just going to smooth it into my skin. And I'm just gonna start out by applying it to one half of my face because I want to be able to compare that pore minimizing effect. Ooh, this does smell so nice. It has like almost like a rose fresh scent to it that smells so nice but not overpowering. So that tiny little pump was enough to do my entire half of my face. Just visually looking at the size of my pores, I'm not noticing any difference. Let me go in with a tiny bit more on top of my pores and see if that does anything. I really do like the feel of this. It's just like applying a gel to the skin, but it does feel really nice. Yeah, even adding more, I'm not seeing any change in the size of my pores, but we'll see. I'm going to apply foundation on top of this, and then it'll be interesting to see if it minimized the texture and the appearance of pores underneath my makeup and if it creates that smooth finish. Okay, now I'll just go ahead and apply it to the rest of my face. Now I feel like it's kind of smelling a little bit like grapefruit. Oh, I really do like the smell of this. So when I first put it on, it definitely has a lot of sticky tackiness to it, which is good for a primer because it'll help grab onto that foundation. Let's see, yeah, even after it's been sitting on my face for a bit, it still has some tackiness to it. But the texture of my skin right now, it feels so hydrated and plump. My chin was feeling kind of dry today, but this feels so hydrating on my chin. I would say that there's a little bit of glow and radiance to my skin, but nothing too shiny or oily looking at all. So I just really like the look of my skin right now. So even if you were not going to wear foundation, this is still just a nice product to put on the skin to get all of those nourishing ingredients and benefits into your skin, but also giving it hydration and this like plump, hydrated, glowy look. And now, as always, when I try out a primer, I use the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation as my foundation to test on top of it. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply this foundation. And I will definitely have this foundation review from when I did a full review on the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I will have that video linked down below if you want to see that. But this is a great foundation to let me really tell how my skin is looking underneath it. Ooh, yes. My pores are looking so smooth right now. They may have not visually reduced when I had no makeup on them, but that texture is so smoothed out. Okay, I'm very impressed right now. And I really like how the foundation is applying on top of this. With that tacky, sticky texture, I can tell that the foundation is really grabbing onto it and therefore giving me more coverage. And that will also help to make the foundation last longer. Okay, the foundation is applied and I love how it's looking. I'm so impressed right away by how smooth my skin looks, how it still has that radiant, really hydrated look to it. And I'm also really impressed by the coverage because I have used this foundation a lot of times. I mean, it's empty now basically. And usually I have quite a bit of redness still peeking through on my cheeks. And right now I feel like I have completely full optimal coverage because of how the primer really grabbed onto the foundation. And it just looks completely smooth on my skin though. It doesn't even look like there's product on my skin. It looks so smooth and natural. It's like completely undetectable. Someone could, like this is my mirror, someone could literally get this close and not even see. I am ready for my close-up. I'm ready for those HD cameras, 4K. Like this skin is perfect. Like I love how smooth it looks over my pores, and my skin just feels so comfortable. It feels so moisturized. Where I was dry on my chin earlier, There's no dry patches at all. So all around, this is a great primer, but it's also such a great skincare product. So I am so happy with this. I'm so glad I have it in my collection now. This beautiful product will be displayed proudly on my makeup stand, but it's also a product that I'm going to use daily because of how good it looks under my makeup, but also how good it feels on my skin. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this product before or any Emani cosmetic products, and I would love to know your thoughts on them. I also want to mention something else that I love about this brand. It's toxin-free, recycled, organic, and cruelty-free on top of being vegan. And all of those can be really hard to find in cosmetics, especially really great performing cosmetics and skincare. So I'm very happy with this and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.